McDonald's Golden Archers, over a billion served. You've seen the sign, you know what I'm talking about. And let me share with you one of the hacks, the advertising marketing hacks that McDonald's uses and how you can use it too in your aesthetics beauty business. What's up? My name is Wick. That's what we're gonna talk about today in this video. Mickey D's and your beauty. Woo! Let's get to it. If you don't know me, my name is Wick. Wicked, 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 wicked. Shut up. And the reason I do these videos, in case you're new to the group, is to share with you some marketing tips, tricks, ideas that will elevate you to the levels that you can only dream of. Elevate you so high as the peaks of the highest Himalayas. To elevate you like an eagle soars through the sky. And you will just be like, whoa, that's what I got. I don't know. All right. What does Mickey D do? One of the most powerful things in all of marketing, and I talk about this a lot, is to be consistent with your marketing. You've got to be consistent. You've got to be consistent. You've got to be committed. If I can put two C's in today's video, it's commitment and consistency. Here, you know, I gained weight. I talk about this a lot. When I look at business, you can look at fitness. A lot of it is just discipline. And before, when I would be consistently going to the gym, consistently working out, do you think that was a good plan if one of my goals is weight loss or getting into better shape, right? Yeah. Okay. But when I stopped doing that, when I stopped being consistent, can we agree that might be one of the points where the weight gain started happening more because I stopped working out? Okay, so what does McDonald's do, and what does all of this got to do with McDonald's? And more importantly, what does it got to do with you and your beauty business? So McDonald's will create these ads that we all see on TV or whatever. No, 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 I'm loving it, right? So they'll make this ad and they'll put it out there and they just basically blast. They'll create a commercial or two and then they'll just blast that same commercial again and again and again. And you might be just chilling there at home and you just had dinner. So if you just had dinner and the McDonald's commercial came, it's not gonna do anything. You're like, whatever, right? At one point, you may be sitting and it's right before dinner and you're hungry and you don't feel or in the mood to make the foodie, right? You don't want to do the foodie. You don't want to do the dishes. You don't want to spend time over there. And then what popped into your mind? Na 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 na, I'm loving it. Or more importantly, what if you're just sitting there and that commercial just popped up right then and there while you're hungry? Ooh, that those two connections. You just happen to be hungry. That commercial just happened to pop up. So when you were full, it's kind of like when we're drinking. It's kind of like when we drink and we drink too much. Not sure if you've ever been there. I used to live there. And what did we say? Okay, that's it. I ain't drinking no more, right? DJ Quick, right? I ain't drinking anymore if you just let me live, right? You're like, I'm not drinking anymore. But what happens later on after you recover? You drink, right? So it is what it is. But at the same time, when you're hungry, you're in the right mood, you're that right time, and that commercial hits, it hits differently. Does that make sense? It hits differently because you're at the right place, the right time. The commercial play, that person is like that, right? That's why they blast. That's why they're everywhere. Again, what has it got to do with you and your beauty business? It got to do with this. Let's just say you're talking about acne treatments, and that's just what you do. Awesome blossom. I love it because I love acne treatments and all of that good stuff. So you talk about acne treatment. You know that person, your ideal client, that person watching may not be in that mood, that right state of mind. They happen to be thinking about dinner. They happen to be thinking about a vacation they have coming up. At some point, when their mind is, and the best example I can give is the mind is like soil, right? If you're dropping seeds on concrete, right, it's not going to grow. But if it happens to land on soil, meaning that mind is ready to hear your message because they just happen to be looking in the mirror and they see, all some acne popping up, right? At that moment, they are more open to your message. And if you've been consistent the whole time, again, it's you gotta literally, let's just say, put out 10 pieces of content on a consistent basis. One, two, 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 two. Because at some Lord have mercy, choking myself up. At some point, that person is going to be open to it because that problem just popped up in their life. So the reason you don't get enough business, and Proactive does, and freaking who else? I don't know. Whoever else does acne, I don't know. Whatever. Blah blah blah. Google, right? They Google acne and so on. The reason people go there when the problem hits is you didn't hit hard enough. If you were consistent, if you committed, go, okay, I'm gonna do freaking 7, 10 posts a day, and dude, here, do it. It's free. It is free. You're like, oh my God, Wick, I don't want. That's too much. No, it's not. It takes literally. It'll take me like 2 minutes to do a post. You don't have to get all extravagant with it, right? Just a couple of quick myths busted, some tip of the day, some new idea, a product review, a video of you washing your face, right? There's an, and you talked about this product that you have right here, boo 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 boo, right? So literally there is unlimited things you can do, and if you're not where you want to be in business, you probably have the time. So if you're not using that time, you're not being committed to your goal. You're not being consistent as you could or you should, right? Because the more times you hit that message, the more times you put it, the more times you do it from a different angle or a different view, the more open when that client has that problem and they've seen your message again and again and again, you will be what we call top of mind awareness, right? That's what it is. You're on top of their mind. They think of acne, they think of you, right? So for a while they didn't have acne and they didn't need your service, but then when acne popped up, like, oh crap, I got an event in 2 weeks. I have all this acne that came. What the heck do I do? I need it done quick, and then they come to you, right? All right. So there's the skinny, I think skinny, whatever, right? So you got to be committed. You got to keep commitment. It's your commitment. Right now I just started working out again for like a million times. I just installed the TRX. You can't see it here. I just installed the TRX in my office because I'm like, damn it, I'm gonna work out. And sometimes I'm too lazy to go to do the gym I have downstairs in my garage, which is a pimped out gym, or the gym we have in our clubhouse here in our housing complexes or whatever, right? So when I'm too lazy for that, I'm like, this is right here on the wall, my TRX. So, take a break. But see, that's my commitment to myself. So you have to be committed to this. When I don't say you have to, but it's going to help your business, right? I don't like the word like you have to or you need to. It will help your business. So be open to that. McDonald's does it because they know at some point that message is going to hit that person right when they're hungry. Whatever service you have, you want them to hit it right when that person realizes they have that problem, and there you are as that amazing solution. Mwah, 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 mwah. Besos. That's why you got to be committed. That's why you should, it's your business. If you want to be successful, this is a tool that will help. Use it. Use it. I want to say use it or lose it, but it's like just use it, right? It's free. It's free. And then and a quick little part of it. Uh, Before the internet and the Facebook, if you wanted to advertise your business, you would have to pay, hundreds and thousands of dollars to put it in a newspaper or print or TV ad or a magazine or what have you. You would have to spend all that money and time, and you wouldn't even know if it worked or not, right? Until you spent all that money and time. Now you have Facebook and the Iggy, and you just post it and you get the results from it. You're like, ooh, this one got some really good results. And you use that as your Facebook ad. You just put some money behind it and blast it, right? Be amazing. Be commitment, consistency. Commitment, consistency. CC Music Factory. Peace.